So today we are at the Tundavala Gap, or Portuguese known as Fenda da Tundavala. Now this is one of Angola's most spectacular natural landmarks and one of the country's official recognized seven natural wonders. Now this is about 18 kilometers from Lubangu on the edge of the Hulia Plateau. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Now where this plateau drops dramatically towards the plains. Now, interesting is that the history of this place, the name Tundavala comes from the Nyanyeke word Ntandevala, meaning an opening, a gap, or a place where the land has split apart. Now, if I show you, look there, just check there, it has split apart here. So this forms a gorge here. Over millions and millions of years of tectonic uplift and erosion as part of the Southern Africa Great Escarpment. Check net hierso. Now, it has long been a significant landmark for local communities, and it later became an important viewpoint for explorers like us and travelers crossing Southern Africa. But in 2012, the Angolan government declared Tundavala a protected cultural landscape, recognizing its outstanding geological and scenic and cultural values. Now, key statistics, you see, I know big words, man. Key statistics is that this is located in the Hulia province, about 18 kilometers from Lubangu, on the rim of, I think this is the Lubangu Mountains or Leba Mountains, I'm not sure, I stand to be corrected, with an elevation, a rim elevation of 2,200 meters above sea level, my broer. That is Moerse Moerhai. Now the cliff where we are at now, this is 1,200 meters. Check here. 1,200 meter sheer drop from here, and a view of a landscape of about 10,000 square kilometers towards Namib province and the Atlantic coastal plain. Now, the western edge of the Humpata Plateau form parts of the Great Escarpment of Southern Africa. Now, a few interesting facts is that this is one of the highest and most dramatic viewpoints in Angola. So on a clear day, you can see over 70 kilometers across the plains below. Now, these cliffs, they are very popular with photographers, bird watchers, hikers, geologists, and as of lately, base jumpers, where they come to this place to jump off these cliffs. Sure madness, if you ask me. Now, this area is considered important geoheritage site, attracting a lot of scientific research from all around the world. Now, Tundavala is widely regarded as one of the finest natural viewpoints in Southern Africa, combining dramatic scenery, ancient geology, like you can see, and very cultural significance into one single unforgettable destination. But as per urban legend, and I tell this from what I have heard, is that during the wartime, I stand to be corrected, this was a place of horror because prisoners of war as well as insiders being thought of traders or traitors were brought to this place, and they were told, we're going to ask you a few, one way or another, you're going over this today. We're going to hoy you over here today, but we're going to ask you a few questions before we do that. Answer them truthfully, and the angels will protect you. They will carry you down on their wings. Tell one lie, you'll go splat. You'll fall to your death. So, unconfirmed, but as per urban legend, that was done during the the Bush War. So, some few interesting facts and things about Tundavalla. So if you ever find yourself in the Hulia province or Lubangu, make sure to add this insane beautiful place to your itinerary. So Trans-Africa greetings and blessings, Arrivari from Tundavalla. Cheers!